Hey guys, welcome to Ace Academy channel. Before I discuss this video content, I would like to ask you to subscribe my channel so that you will receive my new videos coming out every week, and also remember to like and share my videos to your friends and families. Alright guys, let's get started. When searching for a job or attempting to improve in your profession, you might acquire new skills that are particularly attractive to potential employers. In this video, we will discuss 20 essential abilities and how to develop them. 20 new skills to further your career. Developing new talents will increase your job advancement chances. Here are 20 abilities to consider. 1. Fundamental coding. As workplaces become more reliant on computers, individuals with coding and programming abilities are required. Coding is delegating a job to a machine depending on the criteria you've established. Therefore, those with coding abilities have the opportunity to obtain more employment and make more money. 2. Statistics and data analysis. This collection of abilities consists of the capacity to extract essential features from a set of information and analyze those details in order to reach a conclusion. Employers utilize data analysis and statistics to target particular markets with their goods and services, and to demonstrate that production adjustments have produced the intended outcomes. Statistics and data analysis help you to reach a logical conclusion and express it to others. Possessing and using these talents can assist you in resolving complicated challenges and enhancing your reputation as a trustworthy expert in your industry. 3. Digital literacy. Staying up to date on the newest versions of your company's essential applications ensures that you remain employable, since the majority of jobs depend significantly on modern technology. Obtaining certificates in cutting-edge technologies can increase your employability. 4. Foreign language. The corporate world is becoming more international, boosting the need for multilingual professionals. Employers desire employees who can interact easily with customers in both local and foreign markets. Possessing these language abilities is likely to boost your earning potential and professional growth in general. U.S. corporations have the most need for employees with proficiency in Chinese, Spanish, and French. 5. Project management. Skills in project management give a set of rules and principles for streamlining all of your tasks. They enable you to comprehend the whole scope of a project and manage it from beginning to end. By integrating your project management, organizational, and problem-solving abilities, you will be able to swiftly organize and prioritize the actions your team must take to complete a project within the specified constraints, giving you a significant competitive edge in your career progression. 6. Public speaking. Effective public speaking requires presenting your thoughts to an audience in a clear and persuasive manner. You may be requested or even obliged to talk publicly about your work as your career progresses. You must show oneself in the most favorable light imaginable. Improving your public speaking skills is an excellent approach to enhance your performance abilities in practically any job. 7. Social media marketing and digital advertising. To be competitive in the employment market, you must understand how social media and digital marketing operate and their worth to organizations. Utilizing and navigating social media platforms is a useful skill, particularly when it comes to digital marketing. 8. Speed reading. When individuals read quickly, they are able to comprehend huge paragraphs and chunks of information rather than processing each sentence individually. This talent allows you to read quicker and retain more information. Reading quickly also assists you to better manage your time and be more productive. 9. Audio and visual production. Numerous companies depend on audio and video creation to communicate their narrative or promote their brand, without regard to commercial limits. Video and audio specialists may be found in practically every business today. The ability to edit video allows you to organize and modify video clips to create a unified framework. Audio production refers to the recording and editing of audio that satisfies the creative demands of diverse projects with crystal clear audio. Including these abilities on your CV might boost your employability. 10. Web development. Ability to understand and write programming languages is the most important aspect of web development. These languages, or codes, are used to develop programs, apps, and web pages, and to direct their operation. This is significant because the abilities required for success in web development, such as the ability to visualize, integrate, and express information, are talents you use every day. 11. Adaptability. Adaptability to changing technologies, people, and ideas is vital for job advancement. Employers need candidates who can adapt to new technologies, partnerships, and ideologies. To achieve your desired objectives, you must be ready to make adjustments as required. 12. Communication. Communication is a collection of talents that, when correctly used, may advance your career in any direction. Effective communication includes the following components: communicating clearly, actively listening, observing, writing. This combination of abilities is essential for presenting and receiving information effectively and efficiently, which is crucial for success in any field. 13. Creative thinking. In today's global economy, creativity is essential. Innovative ideas may help your business stand out from the competition and attract customers' attention. Numerous organizations see creativity as one of the most essential qualities in prospective employees. Learning how to use creative thinking to your work duties will assist you in developing innovative and effective answers to frequent difficulties you may face in your position. 14. Reading. Even while reading fiction, you gain knowledge and extend your viewpoint. You go to new locations, meet new people, and gain new talents that you would not otherwise encounter. Develop the habit of reading things thoroughly. The more you know, the more open you are to new experiences, whether at business or in your personal life. 15. Innovation. Innovation, by definition, is the capacity to enhance processes, offer efficient goods and services to market, and increase the company's total profitability. Innovative thought necessitates originality and a willingness to adopt unusual ways in the pursuit of enhancing current procedures and developing new ones. Inventive problem solvers are often innovative thinkers, and innovative problem solving is highly valued by employers. 16. Leadership. The growth of your job requires that you possess leadership qualities. These abilities help you to motivate others to strive for success and allow the team to operate as a cohesive entity, as opposed to a loose collection of individuals. A good leader motivates, inspires, and enables others. The leader inspires cooperation, goal achievement, and total team success, and managing a successful team is an excellent method to advance in the job. 17. Photoshop. Learning at least the fundamentals of Photoshop is essential if you want to work in graphic or online design, or even if you simply want to edit photos at home. If you work in a hands-on marketing capacity, it is also essential to understand Photoshop. Because it is such a valuable ability, it is a plus to be able to include it on a resume. 18. Problem solving. Employers place a great value on those who can assess complex or unanticipated conditions or difficulties, identify the issue, and execute the most effective remedies. Problem solving is a practical talent that enables you to function in difficult environments where prompt answers may be the difference between profit and loss. It may also help you create and maintain connections and establish you as someone who can be relied upon to make day-to-day choices. 19. Productivity. Although the idea of productivity might be rather vague, the distinguishing characteristic is universal. Spend your time on activities that are meaningful to you. There are 3 stages to increasing your productivity in order to progress your career. Determine what is most important to you. This level requires self-awareness. Knowing the purpose of one's efforts is the greatest motivator. Periodically analyze your productivity to ensure that your efforts are propelling your career in the desired direction. Know your objectives and link your activities with their attainment. Concentrate on what is important to you. This phase involves goal setting. Once you've determined what you want, whether it's a promotion or to start your own company, having your ultimate goal in mind will unconsciously motivate you to do activities that support achieving it. Make time for what is essential. After identifying and establishing your objectives, you must follow through. It is simple to justify procrastination. Many individuals put off achieving their objectives because they are overworked and lack the time to seek breakthroughs while they are trying to meet daily deadlines. Time management is a question of setting priorities. In other words, productivity is achieved when time is made for it. 20. Self-management. As more businesses adopt remote work settings, they will depend on the productivity of their staff without physical supervision. You may be required to demonstrate more responsibility, self-discipline, and accountability. As organizations progress, self-management abilities will become more crucial. Such abilities consist of active listening, adaptability, motivation, stress tolerance, time management. Well, guys, my video has come to an end, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel so that our channel can grow and bring everyone new videos with new things to learn. Bye bye for now and see you in my next videos.